Hello. Hold on. Hello. We are gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. If you even know what that song is, go to her song, come back, and watch us sing. But if you wanna like beatbox while you're like watching us, you can. I don't care. Just go. No.
That's weird, Armenta.
You're weird.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I'm not Armenta.
Yes, you are.
I know. Gosh.
You don't make any sense.
You don't make any sense.
Ah.
Alright, let's sing.
Okay, you gotta sing.
I'm just gonna sit on my pillow.
Okay, so we're gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain.
1, 2, 3, 4. I let it fall. My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, still strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms with that fall into your feet. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew on the games. You said it was never true on the games you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. When I lay with you, I can stay there. Close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the games you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. The heart you broke must be waiting for ya. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Oh, just kidding. Oh no, let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Oh, bye. Oh yeah, same in the other video. Rate, comment, nice, I don't care. Leave your favorite artist. What?
I've never sang in front of an audience before.
Well, there's tons of audience right now. So, subscribe.
Talent show.
This is more audience than the talent show.
Really?
Really.
Oh yeah, it's the whole world. I knew that.
Yeah. And, so, subscribe, rate, leave your favorite artist, leave nice comments, and click the like button on What side would you guys be on? Oh. This side. Click like. Click like. Click like. And click subscribe up there. Up there, up there. Oh, I think you're asleep.
Oh, no, I was pretending to faint, you crazy person.
Oh, bye.
Bye.